A question we get asked quite a bit is how long will it take to complete my roof project? There are a couple of factors that go into that. One is the complexity of the roof. Is it just a really simple, straightforward roof, or is it more detailed, smaller roof faces, dormers, etc.? It kind of depends on that as to how long it'll take. But we usually aim for 1 to 2 days to complete a roof project. Now, sometimes, our work is dependent on the weather. So we might start a project, but then have to pull off for an afternoon or even a full day if there's rain predicted, or obviously if it is raining. Our goal in those situations is, if we've already started a project, first and foremost, we're going to make sure that no matter at what stage the roof job is at, it's going to be leak-free. So even if it's not completed, don't have to worry about leaks. If someone would contact us and they just want to get a repair, they just want to stop a leak, they're not looking for a replacement or anything, that's something we try to address quickly, usually within a day or a couple of days. We get out there, and our intention in going is to stop the leak on the first visit. So our repair specialists will come out with the supplies necessary, the tools necessary to actually stop most leaks. And one thing that they usually ask for is access into the attic. And that's important for us because the closer we can get to the roof, the closer we can get right up under the roof surface and see where the leak is actually penetrating the roof, the better off we'll be at finding out what the trouble is up top. Because sometimes, water can travel quite a distance before it actually drips down. So if we can see that in the attic, that's very helpful for us. Usually the time that it takes to do something like that is a couple hours. It might be a half an hour if it's something pretty obvious and straightforward. It might be 2, 3, 4 hours, half a day if it's something a little more complex. But rarely will just a leak stop service visit take more than a half a day. How long does it take to complete the roof project? Really a matter of how complex is it, what's the weather like. But all in all, most times it's within 1 to 2 days.